Gender two types. Masculine gender
Masculine gender
or
or
male gender.
male gender.
Feminine gender
Feminine gender
or
or
female gender.
female gender.
Boy,
Boy,
girl,
girl,
uncle,
uncle,
aunt,
aunt,
hero,
hero,
heroine,
heroine,
son,
son,
daughter,
daughter,
husband,
husband,
wife,
wife,
father,
father,
mother,
mother,
sir,
sir,
madam,
madam,
man,
man,
woman,
woman,
prince,
prince,
princess,
princess,
horse,
horse,
mare,
mare,
king,
king,
queen,
queen,
servant,
servant,
maid,
maid,
brother,
brother,
sister,
sister,
bull,
bull,
cow,
cow,
his,
his,
her,
her,
cock,
cock,
hen,
hen,
he,
he,
she,
headmaster,
headmistress,
headmistress,
actor,
actor,
actress,
actress,
lord,
lord,
lady,
lady,
duck,
duck,
dove,
dove,
other,
other,
others,
others,
dog,
dog,
bitch,
bitch,
lord,
lord,
lady,
lady,
poet,
poet,
poetess,
poetess,
stag,
stag,
hind,
hind,
drag,
leg,
duck,
duck,
cot,
hot,
colt,
hot,
filly,
filly,
rain,
den,
bee,
bee,
manager,
manager,
manageress,
manager,